y'all, I am back with another quick tutorial using of course a box from Influencer. Today I'm going to be using Dark and Lovely's Fade Resist that I got from them in the color Naturally Black. They sent me two for my hair, but I'm gonna be reviving an old wig, so I only use one. Now yes, my wig, she crunchy, dusty, she look a mess, but she been in the box for a minute. Nice wig. I ended up bleaching the top because I used it as a Halloween costume. I wanted to be Cruella de Vil that year, so I decided to do like a curly Cruella, something different, a bit on the dark side. But yeah, that is the developer. There's also conditioner that you put on and leave for 5 minutes, and of course the color that you mix with the developer to create that color for you. Now here I'm just showing you the times that it takes for relaxed and natural hair. Now let me tell you some good things about Dark and Lovely. The Fade Resist is 8 weeks of vibrant hair color and gray coverage. It's available in 18 shades that deeply condition each strand for lustrous, healthy looking hair. So this color was definitely amazing. I'm going to give my full review at the end, but right here I'm just marrying the two, developer and color, mix. Of course, making sure I got it all together. The best thing about this applicator though, once I get through them, I'll show you in just a second. I'm just still mixing here. One of the best things, it is a twist off. I remember back in the day you had to cut those things and you get stuff everywhere, but here I am, I'm applying the color. Now I did color the whole head, I'll be honest, mainly because the wig, it didn't look fully black. It kind of gave some brown notes in there, and I also just wanted to see, okay, how much of this hair is really real. Like, some of these wigs, when you get them from cheap, they can have some synthetic fiber, so I wanted to put that to the test today. So I saturated that whole wig with this box color, y'all. But of course we didn't come to see black on black, we wanted to see what that color do. So right here I'm going in, putting that color on the blonde to see if it'll turn brown for me. Now of course, once I put it on there, you can see the blonde automatically go into brown or black. It kind of amazed me because I was like, damn, that happened quick. But then I had to think to myself, this is developer 1. It is developer mixed with the color, so okay, yeah. But 2, I didn't want to be like, okay, I'm impressed that now I put this black stuff that's in a bottle on top of this hair. So I was like, all right, we're just gonna see what it's gonna do. So I definitely, made sure I did my best with fully saturating every piece of hair, especially the blonde. And this is just a side by side of me finishing the left side and going to the right. Of course, I parted the hair in 4 sections, and I'm just going back to kind of get some pieces that I felt like I missed, right? Going in there into the roots or whatever, and I'm on the next side, combing it out. Listen, y'all, she was rat-tat-tat-tatty. She was a mess. I definitely got to take better care of my wigs, but I recently moved, so that's really why they have been in boxes. And honestly, I ain't been wearing no wig nowhere. I work from home. I barely get out, and when I do, it's gonna be in a puff, or I might just have my natural curls out. So when I got this color, I was like, okay, feeling a little creative. So yeah, I took this one out the box mainly because I just wanted her to go back to black, because I want to do something different with her. Not sure if I will make it a, like one of those wigs where, not sure if I'll do like a bang in the front, like how I like make a little curly wig with a little curly bang in the front. I'm just showing you right here a little side by side view. I don't know if you can see it, but you can definitely see the left side was a lot darker than pre-color. That could have been anything. That could have been because, of course, something's on top of this hair. It's kind of like if I would have wet it, it probably looked dark. So again, I was just showing you, but I still don't want to be like, oh, I'm impressed. We just want to see what it's going to do at the end. So there I am going in again with that blonde. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm getting close to the end, and of course, once that's done, I'm gonna make sure it's fully saturated put it in a plastic cap for about 30 minutes, I believe, and then, revisit everything. All right, so yeah, I'm at the end, making sure this is my last piece, making sure I get all of it. And I ain't gonna lie, like towards the end, I was kind of over it. I mean, it wasn't hard, but at the same time, I was trying to be careful, especially on the root part of the front, like the lace. I didn't want to fuck the lace up, but I didn't really care at this point. I know I might have missed some spots, but here I am. I'm all done. Putting it in a plastic cap, just kind of, keeping it from drying out while the color is saturating through. See if it works. I did it for 20 minutes, and yeah, I'm trying to make sure I got my little hands right, but I don't know. But yeah, so I let this sit for 5 minutes. Once I rinsed it out of my sink, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I came back, and here is the reveal. This color really did a damn good job, like no lie. I was going through just kind of doing my inventory. It made the curls definitely kind of look a lot better in my opinion. Now there were some spots that were missed. I think that was just, again, me. I started to rush. I was over it. It was dinner time. I was like, I'm ready to eat, especially ready to go to bed because I hadn't been sleeping. I've been so tired. But because as I'm showing you now in other spaces, the black definitely got it. I didn't notice any like synthetic fibers in the way or anything, but just from that, just other than the part that I missed, this color it didn't miss for sure. But I really enjoyed it. Now I'm just kind of combing it out because I am going to use another treat that I got from them. It's the Redken leave-in treatment. I will say for that particular product, I liked it for the wig. I did try it on my daughter's hair, but a lot of these products that people send, they ain't really for us. And I know who us is. So that definitely was not for us. That is for damn sure. But overall, I liked it for the wig. I could see myself using that leave-in treatment for my wigs and my wigs only. But I definitely want to shout out to Influencer for always sending me these products to review. Thank you guys for watching my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace.